Mga kapatid, tayo nagagalak na nagkakatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa sanggol na maging kaanib ng ating sambayan ng Kristiyano. Mga kapatid, halina't lumuhog tayo sa Poong May Kapal upang magiliw niyang kalingain ang mga batang bibinyagan.
Anywhere, no destination, this whole world, ours for the taking, brand new life out there.
Kaya naging Mikey siya kasi Maki and Michael. So, pinagsama po kaya naging Mikey. Sobrang siya talaga nagbibigay ng saya sa araw-araw sa amin.
Napakasaya. Nung wala, parang wala lang eh. Pero nandun na siya, anak ko, sabik nang umuwi. Ayoko na mag-overtime, parang gano'n.
We'll make our own luck. We'll make our own luck. We'll make our own luck.
First of all, I'd like to greet Mikey a happy birthday and happy baptismal day, the same day, you know. Happy birthday, Mikey, and congratulations to the parents, you know, Michael and Maki. I love you.
Let's go. We'll make our own luck. We'll make our own luck.
Love na love ka ni Papa. Hindi, basta ano, mahalin mo na si mama mo. Ako, kahit okay lang. Basta si mama mo, respetuhin mo, ganyan.
Promise ko na alagaan kita mabuti at gagawin namin lahat para masuportahan namin lahat ng needs mo. Ayun, mahal na mahal kita na happy birthday. Anak, always remember na gagawin namin lahat para sa'yo. Kapag may kailangan ka, gusto namin, kami yung unang may isip mo. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
And a party like this is really special because what this is really good for is he can look back later and he can see he has this entire army of family that he will always have with him. So he will never feel alone. Just like you two should never feel like you're in this by yourself because we're all here for you.
Where I live.